What's up guys, Clay here from Red Tails Racing, and today we are going to talk about what happened to our Infiniti G35. Ever wonder what happens when a bad day turns to a worse day, turns into an even worse night, and fire's involved? Me too. Looks rough, doesn't it? Because it is. So, we'd finally got the car driving in a straight line, only to lose all communication to electronic systems, and then park the car, catch it on fire, put the fire out. Fire department shows up, no fire. Tow truck shows up, another fire. Put the fire out. Get the car onto the back of the tow truck. Fire again. And now we have no more fire. So this is the state of my garage. Show and tell time. So, what happened? Where are we going now? What's everything looking like? Right? I know, that's what you're thinking. How much is this gonna cost? How much does rebuilding after a fire cost you? Well, the answer is a lot more complicated than you'd assume. So, first things first, let's talk about the things that are done. Wiring harness has been removed. Area is now painted black, because that's high temp paint and I don't want to catch on fire again. So the debris has been removed. The fire extinguisher powder has been removed. And it's been resprayed with 3500 degree paint, just in case. We prevent wildfires around here. Call me Smokey the Bear. So obviously the wiring harness has been removed from the car because it looks like that. And like that. That. So it got, we'll call it damaged. It got damaged. It's had a rough day. Okay? Rough few hours. It's very hot. Caught a lot of things on fire. So that's bad. Now, here's some more. Said burnt up harness. This was not as bad, but as you can see, that's not the correct color for that. So that's bad. These connectors, bad. Fusible link, bad. It's supposedly on bolts though, so it should be an easy replacement. However, I can't get this one off, so wouldn't know. The headlight was the cause of the fire, so that's awesome. That's something we'll have to figure out. Sounds like a future me problem. And in all of this, we found out that our tires are balding on the inside. All great things. So, what does that mean? Where do we go from here? What do we do? What is the positives here? Right? Positive number one, our fuse box is good. So that's great. You don't have to buy fuses. You don't have to buy a full fuse box. And this means that anything we connect to it should communicate with our ECU and ECM, so long as the wires match. And our individual chassis control module is also good. So that's awesome. Our relays, our switches, our fuses, everything is gravy on the car. Just has to get plugged back in and slotted into place. Now with that both being good, we look at the unfortunate state of our battery tray, and it's worse for wear. So this will need to be refurbished. We'll need to get tie downs and figure all that out. We'll probably do something really cool from a design standpoint on this, just to kind of give it some new life and bring it back to the living. So there is that, and there is that. My garage is in shambles, and I am sick of it. So the goal now is to find a junkyard harness to splice into this one, take it back to our original fuse boxes, and hopefully the car should run. Fingers crossed. I have no idea. Our grounds are good. Our battery was good. Everything else was good. So my thought is that splicing in the new wiring harness should make everything communicate again, and the car should start. If it doesn't, well, there's always plan B. What is plan B? I'll tell you what plan B is. Plan B is an L76 6-liter American V8. Made it to a 6-speed CD009 transmission. All running through standalone ECU. Why would we do that? Why not? And, just like the flag behind me, freedom units. Yeah. So, ideally, we're gonna do that anyway. But, we wanna be able to get our team on track, and we wanna be able to get some seat time in the car, so we're gonna try and repair the engine and transmission that's already in it before trying to go and do anything else. So, plans have to be made. First things first, let's fix that wiring harness and see if this is even viable. Because if not, we're gonna be shopping for another car and or engine. All right, so now that my ranting is out of the way, let's open it up to the comments. Let us know in the caption or comments below if you think this is even gonna work, or if you think I'm an idiot. Also, should we just skip it and go straight to the LS? I don't know. But you do. So go ahead and put down in the comments below what you think we should do. And who knows, maybe we might listen to you. The goal right now is to get the car back on track so we can go back to training our team, back to improving the lives of veterans through motorsports, and more importantly, back to doing cool stuff for viewers like you. Now, if you want to donate to help the cause, or just kind of buy me a beer, right? Feel free to go to www.redtailsracing.com and scroll to the bottom. There's a donate page. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Have a blessed day. And as always, Spitfire.